Kiss mo na si Daddy.
iPad.
Say goodbye na si Daddy.
But that's my iPad.
Are you sure?
Babay mo na kay Daddy. It's Minecraft tayo.
I know it. It's an iPad.
Are you sure? Can you check it? If it's an iPad. Careful with it, okay?
Mom!
Yeah. It's nice.
Can you get it out?
Sige, sige. Okay na.
But Dad,
Yes, good day to you guys. My name is MJ Lopez and I'm super happy and grateful right now because we are here in Australia at attend tayo kay Tony Robbins sa Unleash the Power Within, UPW. So, super excited kasi syempre, alam naman natin na magkakaroon tayo ng courses, ng masterclass, ng Awaken the Power Within, halos same nung kay Tony Robbins. And nakakatawa lang kasi mamimit natin yung pinaka-source ng knowledge at wisdom natin. At syempre, kasama ko rin ang aking main mentor na si Rich Mom. Ayan. Kaya ito sobrang saya kasi syempre kaming mag-ina, attend kami ng training. Syempre it will build our relationship and of course it will help our company, Worldwide Entrepreneurs, grow further. And ang nakakatawa dito guys, habang nandito kami, yung media team nagsushoot ngayon ng creative para sa marketing natin sa Wii. At nagsushoot din sila ng videos with the coaches. Kasi nga, nag-develop tayo ng website for our masterclass and our courses. So abangan nyo yun guys. And we will put all the information in the comment section once ready na siya. But anyway, for now guys, i-share ko sa inyo yung journey sa pag-attend kay Tony Robbins. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez and welcome to another vlog. Ayan guys, we are here in Sydney, Australia. Super happy and grateful right now because finally we are here to actually attend Tony Robbins live. And nakakatawa lang guys kasi yung mga volunteer staff sobrang bait. Ngayon pa lang iba na yung energy nila, no? Paano pa kaya tomorrow? And I just wanna share that it is also a dream for me to be able to conduct a seminar like this one. Ganito kalaki, ganito karami. Tapos ganito ka-loving and compassionate yung mga tao sa paligid to actually support the transformation of people. So yeah, sigut-igut muna tayo, makiki-energy muna tayo sa mga tao dito. Ayan guys, grabe, hindi pa nagsisimula. Baliw na ako. Buhay na yung pangarap ko. Super inspired and motivated right now. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na time will come. Magkakaroon tayo ng ganito kalaking event. And maybe kayong mga viewers, you will be part of it. Yun lang guys. Lamig. So ayan guys, it's 8:30 p.m. here in Australia and I'm organizing my day and I'm trying to organize the vlog as well. So I'm still doing my follow-ups for my business, making sure na okay yung coaching team natin, yung mga leaders natin sa Worldwide Entrepreneurs, and making sure na okay yung schedule ng uploads natin because again, so for now I'm gonna continue to organize my day and then aayusin natin yung ating pre-seminar worksheet and yeah, mag-exercise pa tayo, no? So I'm gonna try to do a little bit of workout kasi feeling ko medyo nag-heal na yung leg tats natin. So I'm gonna give you guys updates later. Hello guys, kamusta?
Hello, sir.
Parang nagtitipon-tipon kayo dyan.
Ano kasi po ano?
Ayan, Namik. Grabe yan, CEO cameraman ko, ha?
Myself.
Hi guys, kamusta kayo dyan?
Payaman, sir.
Kakain na kayo, kakain na.
Yes, sir. Pero ongoing pa rin kami ng mga shoots, sir. May
Okay.
mga
How's the Philippines?
Philippines is good. Sir, kamusta naman dyan sa Australia?
Okay, malinis. Malinis yung Australia. Yung registration kanina, grabe. Ang saya. Masaya yung registration. Masaya yung mga tao na visualize ko yung future ni Willie, future ni Wee, future ng APW, future ng mga mastermind. Tapos, yeah, super happy, super happy. Na-excite ako. Na-excite din ako sa videos nyo.
Yun.
Kamusta videos nyo?
Okay naman, sir. Napaka-emotional, sir.
Emotional? O siya, sige, maliligo pa yung ating CEO. So guys, thank you so much. No? Thank you so much for showing up in leadership and excellence every day. And I need you to be more excellent and more responsible because day 1 na tomorrow, day 2, day 3 ng namin, ng APW. So, UPW pala. Akin pala APW. Day 1 na tomorrow and I need you guys to step up your leadership, your leadership potential. Step up the game kasi leadership opportunity to sa inyo pag wala kami. Alright? Magpa-pay-ins pa. Magaan yung feeling ko ngayon. Feeling ko bukas, 15 accounts. Kasi kanina may 7 na eh. So 15, dire-diretso na natin. Momentum na natin to. Para pagbalik sa season natin, maraming payout. Alright? Yan lang guys.
Yes.
100 grams.
So ayan guys, we are done with all the things that we have to do for today. It's 2 a.m. here in Australia and we have to sleep. Kasi I have to wake up early para hindi tayo malate, no? Para sa routine natin, para magawa natin lahat ng dapat natin gawin, preparation, meditation, and of course, we really have to be on time. Diba? Mahalaga tong araw na to, mahalaga yung mangyayari din bukas, especially day 1 na bukas. Actually, mamaya na yon, day 1 na ng UPW. But for now, in this vlog, this is day 1 in Australia, and we have to sleep and see you tomorrow. Good morning guys, this is day 2 in Australia and day 1 for UPW. Let's go! Good morning guys, and I'm super excited right now, but we are not allowed to bring any recording devices sa ating day 1 ng UPW. Actually, lahat ng mga araw bawal tayo magdala ng recording devices. That is why hindi ako makakapagdala ng microphone. But I'm gonna share with you all the things that I will learn and the experiences. Now, what I've learned from the pre-coaching, from the preparation is people, we tend to major on minor things. Masyado natin binibigyan ng attention, ng importance yung mga bagay na hindi naman mahalaga sa atin. And at ang nagiging resulta niyan, frustration, disappointment, self-doubt, and it's a downward spiral loop. That is why we have to be really clear with what we want. We have to gain clarity with all the things that we want to achieve. Para alam mo kung ano yung major sa'yo. Para alam mo kung ano yung dapat mong pagtuunan ng attention every day. Because we should be working on what's really important to us, not what's important for other people. Hindi yung kung ano yung mahalaga sa iisipin ng ibang tao, hindi yung kung ano yung mahalaga para sa ibang tao. Ano ba yung mahalaga para sa'yo? And another thing is this life balance. Na there are people na 100% sa career nila, 100% sa finances nila, pero nagsasuffer naman sila emotionally. So, para siyang bilog, So, imagine, magdodrawing tayo ng bilog, na ito yung career, ito yung finances, tapos, mababa yung percentage ng relationship mo, ng emotions mo, ng passion mo, ng meaning mo sa mga bagay-bagay. What will happen is, hindi na siya bilog. So, if you are moving really fast, di ba, kung hindi bilog yung gulong mo, medyo malubak. So, ang nangyayari sa atin, kung mabagal yung takbo natin, hindi siya malubak. Less challenges, less frustrations, less struggles. Pero kung sobrang bilis ng takbo mo, grabe din yung pagdadaanan mo. Ganon din sa buhay. Kung wala kang balanse, kung hindi mo pinahahalagahan yung mga bagay na alam mong mahalaga, tatabingin yung bangka mo, oblong yung gulong mo. Kaya sobrang mabigat sa atin yung mga bagay-bagay. And pre-coaching pa lang guys, ang dami ko nang natutunan and I really hope na kayo din. But for now, we have to go. It's 7:45 and we have to be on time. See you soon. And guys, so I'm gonna be sharing with you what happened. No? Sobrang daming nangyari. Pero one thing na napansin ko is the seminar is full of energy. From the staff, grabe yung energy. Pagpasok mo sa loob, grabe yung energy. Ang galing ng sound design nila. Grabe yung music. And there's a lot of preparation and state management going on. So today is focused a lot on state. Kasi, isa sa natutunan ko is, emotion is energy in motion. Dati ko pang sinasabi sa inyo yan, na-remind lang ako tonight. And kung ano yung emotion mo, nakasulat dito, kung ano yung emotion mo, yun ang magdidikta ng action mo. So most of the time, di ba, we decide, yes, based on our beliefs, but we also decide based on our emotions. So if you can control your emotions, if you can control your state, you can decide better. Kasi nangyayari, if you have thoughts, pag yung thoughts paulit-ulit mong inisip, magiging belief siya. Pag pinaniwalaan mo yun, magiging totoo yun sa'yo. Pero pag nasuportahan pa yan ng hindi magandang state, which is most of the time, hindi naman talaga tayo okay. Most of the time, hindi maganda state natin. Most of the time, we will wake up in a negative state. So today, we learned about the peak state. Kasi pagpasok pa lang, no, bago dumating si Tony Robbins, grabe. Ang ingay, ang saya, nagsasayawan, nakatayo lahat, parang may pasumba pa. Yung lights, yung music, yung mga tao, everyone is cooperating. Until, bago dumating si Tony Robbins, lahat nakatayo na, lahat gigil na at ready nang matuto. So it is something na mahalaga para sa akin as a speaker kasi nga, iniisip ko dati yung state management pero ngayon mas naintindihan ko siya at nakita ko sa harapan ko, posible pala na ganun kasaya sa isang seminar. And natutunan ko rin kanina na nanggagaling ang emotion natin sa mga meaning na binibigay natin sa mga bagay-bagay. It is all about the meaning we attach to things. For example, may tao nagsalita sa'yo ng hindi maganda. Hindi mo naman kakilala. Pwedeng walang masyadong meaning sa'yo yon versus sa taong mahal mo, sa taong malapit sa'yo. Yun ang nagsalita sa'yo ng hindi maganda. Diba ang sakit? Apektado yung state mo kasi nga may binigay kang meaning doon. Even sa mga bagay. When we lost something, and it's not meaningful to us, it's okay. Pero kung yung bagay na yon mahalaga sa atin, may nagbigay sa atin na mahalagang tao din sa atin, matindi yung effect nun sa atin psychologically and emotionally. So it's all about the meaning you attach to things. Tapos kung may goal ka, one major example is if you have a goal and then you have rejections, you have failures, you have challenges. If the meaning you attach to the challenges and the failures and the rejections is stronger than the goals, susuko ka. Hindi ka magte-take ng action. Mabilis kang maninegative. But if the meaning you attach to the goal, to the dream, is a lot bigger than the meaning you attach to the struggles, challenges, rejections, failures, eventually you will move forward because it is more meaningful to you. So, ang galing lang kasi, natutunan ko rin na yung quality ng buhay natin, the quality of life, depends on the emotion and the meaning. Yun naman talaga eh. Kasi pag hindi okay yung state mo everyday, kasi nga hindi okay yung meaning na binibigay mo sa mga bagay-bagay, you won't be happy. Hindi magiging maganda yung araw mo, di ba? Hindi magiging maganda yung quality ng buhay mo. Yan ang galing lang kasi, grabe, lumakakad kami sa apoy. So there's a lot of meaning attached to it na kailangan malampasan yon because it is a physical manifestation of what's happening in our lives. And syempre, nandun ka na eh. So, ang goal ko talaga makatawid. Ang goal ko talaga magawa yung firewalk. But apart from that, there's a lot of NLP and there's a lot of state management. As in, grabe yung anchoring, grabe yung preparation, pero mamaya natin yung pag-uusapan. For now, maghihilamos muna tayo. Ayan, hilamos muna tayo guys. No? So, pinag-usapan din kanina yung human need structure. Grabe. Yan yung dinidiscuss ko lagi na pinakang dahilan ng decision making natin. Doon tayo nang gagaling. So, one example sa human need structure natin is the need for certainty, the need for uncertainty, the need for significance and connection. Yun lang muna ngayon, guys. So, ano ibig sabihin? Certainty, sigurista. Gusto natin, sigurado tayo sa mga bagay-bagay. Gusto natin sure, gusto natin certain, gusto natin sigurado. So, kung ikaw nagbebenta ng produkto, may nakausap ka na ba na gano'n? Yung FDA ba yan? Okay ba yan? Sigurado ba yan? Sure ba yan? So, yun yung mga malalim yung need for certainty. Meron din naman uncertainty. Uncertainty is yung mga taong adventurous. Mga taong gusto laging iba, laging bago. Yung medyo kakaiba mag-isip. Meron din naman na significance. Gusto nila laging pinaka. Laging sila yung number one. Sila yung nauuna. Yung tipong usapan, lahat kayo naka-itim pero siya lang yung naka-white. Ganon. And syempre, meron din need for love and connection. So, more on, pag nasobrahan ka dito, people pleaser. Diba? Yan yung masyado mong pinapahalaga yung iniisip ng ibang tao. Teka lang guys. Ngayon, so pag naintindihan mo na yung human needs yung driving force mo sa pagde-decide, kailangan mong alamin, ano ba yung iyo? So, kanina natutunan ko yung akin personally at ano yung dapat kong baguhin. Now, ang akin, I strongly recommend umattend kayo kay Tony Robbins. The problem is, paano naman doon sa iba na hindi accessible, sa iba na namamahalan. Diyan napapasok yung course natin, guys. So, abangan nyo, soon, magkakaroon tayo ng course. So, sa course na yan, included lahat ng matututunan ko or halos lahat ng matututunan ko dito sa UPW. Because I want to serve you guys. I want to create value with you. And more importantly, gusto kong makatulong sa mga Pilipino. So, I will translate these trainings plus yung iba pang tools na mga natutunan ko sa iba't ibang mentors at sa experience ko. And I will make sure, guys, and I am making sure na yung ituturo ko sa inyo sa course natin is something na na-apply ko na. Kumbaga, this is not my first time naman to encounter Tony Robbins. Nagkataon lang na ngayon, live personal. And syempre, kahit alam ko na yung tools, iba pa rin yung dating pag naka-attend ka in person. Pero, to make it accessible for you guys, magkakaroon tayo ng course soon. Balik na tayo doon. So, ayan, grabe kanina, no? Ang daming anchoring. In-anchor kami sa movement. Sa salitang yes. Ang galing kasi ni Tony Robbins sa NLP and I'm also an NLP practitioner so I understand anchoring. So talaga grabe, physical, mental, tapos pati sa hearing, pati sa sinasabi, no? Talagang lahat naka-anchor in preparation for the firewalk. Tapos ang daming meditation, basic yung meditation na ginamit. Sabi nga ni Tony Robbins, complexity is the enemy of execution. Which is yun yung lagi kong sinasabi. Sa mga trainings natin, basic lang dapat. Ang mahalaga kasi yung kayang i-apply, yung kayang gawin. Yung applicable sa atin, di ba? So, grabe yung preparation sa pagdating doon. Yes! 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 Talagang sugod kami, no? Grabe! 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Guys, sobrang init. Like, to the point na, sabi nga ni Tony Robbins, no, pangtunaw na ng aluminum ata yun eh, or mas matinding metal pa. And grabe nalampasan natin. Although may paltos ako ng konti, masakit siya ngayon. Hindi naman sobrang sakit, pero masakit siya ngayon. Pero ang mahalaga nalampasan natin. Super happy and grateful because I think and it feels like I am guided to be here. Na bago i-release yung course, bago magkaroon ng course is naka-attend ako dito. So guys, abangan nyo. Lahat halos ng ituturo dito, especially yung mga bagay na mas madali nyong matatandaan, to actually build foundation for you kasi before you learn the skills, and maybe we already have the skills, maybe you are already earning money. It is very important that you have foundation in terms of decision making. At pag-uusapan natin yan sa ating course. At abangan nyo sa mga comment section ng lahat ng content natin at abangan nyo sa description nitong video na to because we are preparing the website for our course. But for now guys, this is day 2 in Australia and day 1 of Unleash the Power Within, and see you tomorrow. Yes, good day to you guys, and this is day 3 in Australia, but day 2 for UPW. Let's go! So ayan guys, magbubook na tayo ng Uber. Super happy and grateful right now and super excited din to learn from Tony Robbins. And I cannot promise you na makakapag-video ako ng marami, but I will do my best to show you some of what will happen. Kasi nga, I'm really focused on learning, really focused on growing as a person. Para naman sa courses natin, mas marami ako ma-share sa inyo at para na rin sa ating masterclass. At abangan nyo yan guys. And for now, we have to go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna share with you day 2 of the UPW. Grabe, sobrang taas ng energy ng mga tao. So day 1, ang nag-create ng energy yung mga staff. Although syempre lahat ng tao doon sobrang excited, di ba? Excited makapunta, excited maka-attend, galing pa sa iba't ibang bansa. Pero after the firewalk guys, after that breakthrough, grabe, lahat, yung mga audience, umaga pa lang ang taas na ng energy level. Plus, ang gagaling din ng speakers. So, share ko na lang sa inyo yung pinakang tumatak sa akin. I'm not gonna share with you the whole day 2. Of course, yung mga bagay na ginagamit ko at ina-apply ko, again, isasama natin yan sa course. Ituturo ko yan sa inyo. Yung iba, napapanood yun na rin sa mga content. But my biggest takeaway today is this. It's not about what you know. It's about what you do. Kasi diba, when we watch videos, when we attend seminars, it's all download. Kuha tayo ng information, aralin natin. And tama naman na paulit-ulit tayong nakikinig. Tama na paulit-ulit tayong uma-attend. Because, sabi nga ni Tony Robbins, diba, repetition is the mother of skill. Tama na patuloy tayong nag-aaral. Pero ang mali, yung hindi natin ina-apply. Ang mali, yung hindi natin ginagawa. Sabi ko nga nung day 1, diba, complexity is the enemy of execution. So, kung masyado natin ina-overthink, masyado natin ginagawang komplikado, complex yung mga bagay-bagay, we won't be able to execute well. Ibig sabihin, hindi porket marami kang knowledge, lagi mo naririnig, alam mo na. Sa minsan yung mga bagay. Kasi, pag sinabi mong alam mo na, ang totoo, ina-apply mo yun talaga dapat, di ba? Ginagawa mo. So, it's not just about knowledge, guys. It's all about application, execution. And of course, na-discuss din kanina yung success formula. And isa sa pinaka-tumatak sa akin sa success formula is clarity pa rin. As in, like, number 1 na sinasabi doon is you have to have clarity. Clarity on what you want to achieve, where you want to go. Kasi hindi mo alam kung saang direction ka pupunta kung wala kang destination. Kung hindi mo alam yung destination mo, kung hindi ka malinaw. Tapos you also have to know your why. Because sabi nga ni Tony, reasons comes first, answers comes second. Meaning, kung alam mo yung dahilan mo, malinaw sa'yo kung saan ka papunta, kusang papasok sa'yo yung sagot. The answers will eventually come to you. Because most of the time, we know what to do. We just have this negative belief. We just have this limiting belief. Or maybe, we are not conditioned to actually do something. Hindi tayo nakakondisyon. Kaya nga, a lot of what's happening is conditioning. As in, no? Pinapatayo, pinapaupo, pinapasayaw, tumatalon. Ang dami namin ginagawa, maraming NLP, maraming meditation. And I think it's really conditioning us to do more. So, paglabas, pagkatapos nito, we can achieve more. And ang ma-share ko sa inyo tonight is the importance of having a community and an inner circle. So, yung community kasi, which is magkakaroon tayo niyan soon, abangan nyo rin, lalagay ko yan sa description sa comment section. Magkakaroon tayo ng exclusive community where I will share with you exclusive content. But apart from that, yung sinasabi kong inner circle is the peer group. Kasi sabi kanina, yung success na meron ka ngayon is actually directly proportional to the expectations of your peer group. Think about it. Kung ang ine-expect sa'yo ng mga kasama mo lagi is you will do bad, eventually you will do bad. Because our ego will tell us to please these people, di ba? Ang gusto natin, syempre mapasaya yung peer group natin, mapasaya yung mga tropa natin, yung mga taong dikit sa atin, di ba? Ang gusto natin, mapasaya natin, ma-fulfill natin yung inner circle natin. So if this inner circle that we have is expecting us to do bad, to do negative stuff, to fail, of course, we will eventually fail. But if you have a peer group who will continuously challenge you to grow, who will call you out pag mali ka, yung taong kayang maging honest sa'yo pag mali ka, yung mga taong baka mas mayaman sa'yo, mas magaling sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng at some point successful ka na sa isang bagay. Pero sa peer group na to, baka may mas magaling sa'yo sa pera, mas magaling sa'yo sa content creation, mas magaling sa'yo sa leadership, mas magaling sa'yo sa relationship, mas magaling sa'yo sa investing. May matututunan ka pa rin sa kanila and you can also share your value as a person, di ba? So basically, napakahalaga na meron kang maayos na inner circle. At hindi siya accessible sa marami. That is why I'm also thinking, should I create one myself? I'm not sure. Pag-isipan ko mabuti, guys. If you comment that you are interested, kung saan makikreate ako ng samahan or grupo where we can do mastermind session, grupo ng mga mayayaman o mga gustong-gustong yumaman. So you can have dinner with me. You know, we can do mastermind sessions. We can do a lot of learning sessions, coaching sessions, and more importantly, bonding relationship. At magkakaroon tayo ng malaking peer group. At magkakaroon tayo ng intimate small peer group. Comment nga kayo kung gusto niyo yun. Comment nga kayo kung committed kayong maging part nun. Alright? So I would know and maybe I can plan ahead of time paano ko siya gagawing posible. Because everything is possible. So yeah, I want to share with you a lot of things, but, teka lang. If you're wondering, bakit iba yung suot ko? Natapunan ako ng ketchup kanina. And kung iniisip nyo ito yung suot ko kahapon, marami akong ganito, 3 yung ganito ko nadala. So, anyway, I want to share with you a lot of things, but siguro ngayong gabi ito muna because we're really tired. I honestly want to work out. I don't think it's possible with the time, but maybe I should or I must. Sabi nga na Tony Robbins, no, make it a must. But yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna work out, but I'm gonna close this day with saying that if you decide, you can achieve what you want. And if you are committed, malalim yung why mo, meaningful sa'yo yung decision mo, it's not just a can. It will become a will. It's not just can. Magiging will siya. You will eventually achieve your goals. You will become successful. You will get what you want. So decide right now. At matututunan niyo yung power ng decision-making pattern, formula, and maybe the science of success or achievement sa ating course na palabas na soon. So abangan nyo lang, guys. Subscribe lang kayo sa channel natin. Click the notification button or follow us on all our social media channels, especially Facebook. Because that is where we announce almost everything. So yun lang, guys. This is day 3 in Australia and day 2 sa ating UPW. Good night and see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. This is day 4 in Australia and day 3 sa UPW natin. Medyo nagmamadali tayo ngayon, so let's go! Ayan guys, grabe, sobrang busy, sobrang nakakapagod ng mga nangyari and I have this feeling that I have to work out. So nag-workout muna ako and I did my follow-up. I did a lot of things my best. So syempre may goal pa rin tayo, diba? Hindi pwedeng mawala yung hustle natin. Pero ngayon kasi tulog na si mama. My mom was actually already sleeping, so I have to go, guys. I cannot vlog for too long. Mamayang umaga, Saka ako kayo i-update kung anong nangyari sa day 3 ng UPW. So yun lang guys, good morning. Ayan guys, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi na ako nakapag-intro kaninang umaga kasi sobrang busy, sobrang puyat, sobrang pagod. Halos walang tulog. So, as usual, sumakay kami ng taxi. Then, dumiretso sa Sydney, sa Olympic Park. And then, pagpasok mo as usual. Napakaraming tao. Ang ingay, ang saya. So, the seminar is all about language, is all about taking action. It is also about conditioning your neurotransmitters, conditioning your nervous system to do something na hindi mo ginagawa before. I think Tony Robbins calls it neuroassociative conditioning. Yeah, yun yung tawag. So, gumagamit siya ng napakaraming NLP patterns, napakaraming mga anchoring para ma-anchor yung bagong belief, yung bagong movement, yung bagong habit, so that sure kaming makaka-move forward. So, ang galing lang ng teaching style nila kasi normally, bibigyan tayo ng instruction. Ito yung gagawin, ito yung gagawin, ito yung gagawin paglabas. O ito yung bakit mo siya ginagawa. Pero sa UPW, gagawin mo siya doon habang itinuturo sa'yo. Tas halo-halo kung ano-ano talagang iba't ibang mga activities yung kailangan gawin. So, pag-usapan muna natin yung day 3. Pinaka-tumatak sa akin doon is yung priming. Kasi day 3 is another huge day. Ando si Tony Robbins. And mahabang araw siya, as in. Maaga nag-start, gabing-gabi na natapos. And we focused on really priming ourselves. And natuto tayo ng bagong meditation pattern na magagamit natin everyday. Another thing na tumatak sa akin doon is raising your standards. Kasi pinoprotektahan natin yung standard natin, yung identity natin. Kumbaga, we protect who we think we are. So kung ang tingin natin sa sarili natin, hindi tayo okay, mahina tayo, subconsciously, magde-decide tayo, and again, connected yan sa ating nervous system, magte-take tayo ng action na mahina tayo. And then, makikreate siya ng result, mapuprove siya, paniniwalaan mo siya. Kasi may evidences ka na. And doon nabibuild yung beliefs natin. Yung thought na paulit-ulit nating pinaniniwalaan. So, pinag-usapan din doon yung negative belief, gumamit ng NLP para palitan ng bagong belief. And I think I can also do that sa ating masterclass. Ang kagandahan dito guys, when you attend the masterclass, it's a lot cheaper. Plus, Tagalog siya. Language na MJ Lopez. At syempre, ipapakita ko sa inyo, ituturo ko sa inyo lahat ng effective na tools na ginagamit ko na from my mentors, from my mom, from Tony Robbins, from Jim Rohn, from all the books that I've read, and from my own experiences. Kumbaga, sa pagbabasa ko ng libro, nagkakaroon lang ako ng terminologies no sa mga bagay na dati ko nang ginagawa. Kasi, guys, 15 years na ako sa public speaking, 17 years na ako nagnenegosyo. So, I have these experiences, and the problem with hyper-successful entrepreneurs, hindi nila kayang i-duplicate, hindi nila kayang ituro. Diyan ako papasok. Kaya kong ituro sa inyo, and I've been modeling hyper-successful entrepreneurs as well. Parang yung ginagawa ni Tony Robbins. Kinikilala niya, inaaral niya yung patterns ng mga mayayaman, ng mga magagaling, para maituro niya sa mga tao. Ganun din yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Inaaral ko yung patterns ni Tony Robbins. Inaaral ko yung patterns ng nanay ko, sarili kong patterns, yung mga kliyente, kaibigan, kakilala ko mga bilyonaryo. Ano yung ginagawa nila? Ina-apply nila at ginawa ko siyang module para sa inyo. So guys, attend kayo sa masterclass. For now, papahinga lang ako ng konti guys para pag-usapan naman natin yung day 4. See you later. Oh, by the way, bakit ako excited at masaya kasi officially, ayan guys, Kita mo yan? Ayan. Student na ako ni Tony Robbins sa Ultimate Mastery University, guys. Mamaya ikakwento ko sa inyo. Pahinga muna ng konti. Alright guys, so let me explain to you day 4 of the UPW. Pinag-usapan lang namin doon is more on health. Gano'n ka-importante yung health, longevity, sustainability. Tapos most of what we want will all boil down to our habits. It will all boil down to what we do every day. Kasi umpisa pa lang, we talked about bridging the gaps eh. So imagine nyo na lahat ng aspect ng buhay nyo bilog. Alright? And I will explain this to you sa mga seminars natin soon. So imagine nyo, yung lahat ng aspect ng buhay mo bilog. So nandito yung health, andito yung family, andito yung family or relationships, andito yung finances, andito yung personal growth mo, let's just say may time, let's just say merong spiritual contribution. So, yun yung balance na life, di ba? So, para siyang gulong. Kaya lang, di ba, hindi naman balance yung buhay natin. Pwedeng marami kang pera, pero walang masyadong fulfillment. Di ba? Tapos, hindi okay yung time management mo, wala kang time sa family mo, okay yung career mo, okay yung personal growth mo, pero wala kang time sa family. So what will happen is, imbis na bilog siya, tabingi siya. So kung tabingi siya, tas mabilis yung takbo natin, mabilis yung pagpunta natin sa mga goals natin, di ba ang dami niyang lubak? Di ba ang hirap? Di ba ang bigat? And it's not because we deserve the challenges, we deserve the struggles, kasi pwede namang smooth natin siyang daanan eh. Especially, kung balanse siya. Kaya lang, ang buhay nga natin, hindi natin maibalanse. At pwede nating ibalanse yung buhay natin. But the problem with most people is this. Imbes na iangat nila yung time management, yung relationship sa family, binababa na lang nila yung standards nila sa goals. So yes, magiging smooth nga yung takbo, magiging mabagal naman. Kukunti naman yung income mo. So ganun din. Ang nangyayari sa mindset natin, sa paniniwala natin, we have to sacrifice success for relationships. We have to sacrifice our goals to be happy or to get time freedom. Kasi maling paniniwala lang siya. So we learned how to bridge that gap. And napakaraming tools, guys. Especially kung paano ka magiging healthy, paano mo mabibuild yung habits mo. Nakakatawa lang kasi day 1 pa lang, lumalakad na kami sa apoy. Imagine that. And Tony Robbins actually prepared us for it. So the lesson here is very simple. You will get what you prepared for. If you act as if that you are already earning X amount of money, 7-digit, 8-digit per month, 9-digit per year, if you act as if, show up every day in excellence, show up every day taking responsibility, show up every day applying all the tools, show up every day on time, keeping your word, tumutupad sa usapan, guess what? Anong pwedeng maging resulta? Only you knows that. And I wanna tell you more about this one. No, finally, we're enrolled. Grabe guys, nag-present sila ng, I think it's worth more than 4 million pesos na package. No? Mga trainings pag pinagsama-sama mo. And ginawa nila tong Mastery University. You have their Life Mastery, Wealth Mastery, Business Mastery, and Date with Destiny. Nakakatawa guys, lahat yan maa-attendan natin. Some this year, some next year pa. Because we are enrolled in Tony Robbins Mastery University. I was dreaming about this moment na magiging student niya. But I'm also dreaming about this moment na magkakaroon tayo ng sarili natin. And lahat tayo guys, if you can, go for this. But if you can't right now, I'm gonna help you. Kasi soon I will produce courses, short courses, business mastery courses, leadership courses, personal development courses, which is yun yung mauuna kasi yun yung foundation natin na mas mura. So that it can jumpstart you, change your life, magkaroon ka ng pera para sa mga mas malalaking bagay, kagaya ni Tony Robbins. Or maybe in the future, we will have our own university, Mastery University. I don't know, I'm just making this video and sharing it with you in a video para alam nyo na at some point in-announce ko siya. At some point iniisip ko siya na nag-manifest na in the future videos, no? So, yeah, I've been, you know, saying, I've been telling people my vision before pa. Lahat ng sinabi ko before, nangyayari na ngayon eh. Kaya ngayon, meron tayong bagong vision, meron tayong pupuntahan, meron tayong destination. And before, I was thinking about being the next Tony Robbins. But right now, I'm thinking about becoming the best version of MJ Lopez. Of course, we're gonna model Tony Robbins and other mentors, but you know, I realized a lot of things. And expect that you will get more value from MJ Lopez, you will get more value from us. So, yeah, I don't have my media team right now, but they're gonna edit this, and I'm pretty sure that right now they're doing something really important din para rin sa inyo, no? Because we've been scheduling our content, post pa rin kami sa YouTube, sa Facebook, sa TikTok, post kami, meron pa rin tayong mga podcast because the media team is dedicated to create value with you guys. Lalo na ngayon, galing tayo sa Tony Robbins, mas marami akong ma-share sa inyo. And if you find value in this, subscribe, click the notification button, i-favorites nyo kami sa Facebook, follow nyo kami sa lahat ng social media channels namin, and abangan nyo sa comment section, descriptions, announcements, pag, ayan na yung masterclass natin, at pag available na yung courses natin. We will do our best to make it available as soon as possible para sa inyong lahat, guys. And if you are interested, mag-comment kayo at abangan nyo. Yun lang, guys. This is the end of the vlog. And later, I will vlog naman about shopping. I will vlog about Australia na. So, ibang vlog na siya, separate video na siya. And I'm super excited because this is bonding time with my mom, Rich Mom. Kung familiar kayo sa Rich Mom Lessons, siya yung tinutukoy ko doon, siya yung nagturo sa akin. So, super excited guys. We will prepare na because maaga nagsasara mga malls dito. And with that, lagi nyo nang tatandaan that everything good starts with a yes. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez and see you soon.